Top 4 VS Code extensions for security. The following are the top 4 VS Code extensions for security. 1. 1Password. Including passwords and secrets as plain text in code is a major security risk because it can easily compromise sensitive information. 1Password is an extension designed to alleviate this issue by providing vault access directly from the VS Code editor. 2. Decompiler. Decompiler is a VS Code extension that brings decompiling capabilities into VS Code. You can decompile binary executables such as Windows PE, Linux ELF, iOS, JAR files, and Android APKs from within VS Code by simply right-clicking on the file and selecting Decompile. 3. Cloak. Cloak is designed to hide secret values from being displayed on the screen when we have an environment configuration file open. 4. Snyk. Detecting and fixing vulnerabilities in code is crucial for building secure software systems. The Snyk alleviates this issue by providing vulnerability scanning and remediation directly from the VS Code editor. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.